Dino from Emo, from the OIIOS. There's so many choices of fat tire step-through electric bicycles now. So let's look at the Dino. All right, so if you're looking for an exceptionally affordable and exceptional components, not the best components, but I'll explain why, a fat tire step through. These did not exist more than 3 years ago. I have one of these at home, right? So I'm 5'3". Why would you want to step through? Well, because if you have to dismount, hello, less hurty hurt, right? So these are becoming increasingly popular. $19.99. That's how much this bike is. It's a 48 volt, 15 amp hour. And then you can upgrade, if you like, to a 20 amp hour for $2,249. That is the OIIOS lineup in Emo. It's their, it's not budget and it's not affordable. It's just, I would say the happy line, right? The happy line of their bicycle lineup. So what's kind of the difference is the tires, right? It's name brand of things. The tires are not Kenda. Your controls and your Speedo are not as expensive, but you still have like signals. You still have a rack. You still have integrated lights. It's not torque, it's cadence. That's another video if you need to know about that. Your braking system, it's not Shimano, it's OIIOS name brand. So that's where some of your cost cutting comes into play. And that's how they're able to offer this beauty at $19.99. And so maybe this looks a little familiar because this has like what we call it, Vicky, right? We call them sisters. This has a sister. Okay, let me show you a sister. Here's your sister. This is the OIIOS. This is the Powa. And this is the same bike. So same components, same tires. The frame is just simply different. It's a fat tire. It's just not a step through. So yeah, they got sisters to them. Cup holders, full year warranty for the whole thing, including the battery and the charger. 2 years on the motor and the frame, up to 4,000 kilometers. That's from Emo. Suspension, it's all adjustable. I like that, not too soft, not too hard, but you can turn it on and off. I am a shorter person. I definitely am flat-footed. Let me show you something else. I am like all over the place. Sorry guys, like that's how it goes. Sorry guys. What's the upgrade to this, right? So when I say that this is like the middle ground, the OIIOS, let me show you the Walkaround. Like Jolene, which bike do I buy from Ride the Wind e-transportation? Well, that's why I do videos to show you which one you can buy without having to come into the store because we're in Ontario, Canada, by Toronto. And this is the cooler, older cousin, right? This is the more expensive. These are $300 more. They're $25.49. So this bike is $500 more. Why? You see it's the same frame, right? Okay, torque sensor, that's more expensive component. The handlebars are an easy release adjustable. Whoop. That's an expensive component. The brakes say Emo, so they're not Shimano, excuse me. This is 8-gear quick shifter. What else? The seats upgraded, the crank is upgraded. Yeah, the chain, the brakes, the Altus derailleur, the Kenda tires. Look at this. Oh, obviously, hello. Mag wheels versus spoke wheels. So that's why if you like something that's a little more, like if you're a name brand person, then go for that. Maybe there's some colors, but the seat height, so the frame's the same. Anyways, back to the Powa. So that's really where the OIIOS is. They're around the 1800 to 2200 mark with 2 battery choices. You can still put your rack at the front. You've got the super bright light. This is a wonderful choice. There's the light button right here. Anyways, that's a very bright light. Isn't that bright? Dino, like dinosaur. Rawr. It's the Dino from EMO, from OIIOS, from Ride the Wind e-Transportation.